In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set professional goals in Clickup so you can stay focused, organized, and productive. Start by opening your Clickup workspace and heading to your main dashboard. This is your central hub where all your work and projects live. Next, select the project where you want to set your goals. This could be a personal productivity space or a team project depending on your needs. Now, click the three dots next to your project name to open the options menu. From there, select Templates. This is where Clickup helps you speed things up with ready-made structures. Click on Browse Templates and use the search bar to type Goals. This will filter out templates specifically designed for goal tracking and planning. Take a moment to explore the options and choose a template that fits your workflow. Some are simple while others are more detailed, so pick what feels right for you. Once you've selected a template, click Use Template. Clickup will automatically apply it to your project and set up everything you need. Now comes the important part, customization. Edit the template by adding your own goals, adjusting deadlines, and organizing categories based on your priorities. You can also assign tasks, track progress, and update statuses to keep everything aligned with your objectives. And that's it. You now have a structured system in Clickup to set, track, and achieve your professional goals with clarity and consistency.